Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Paychex for year-end payroll reporting, full guide step-by-step clearly. To activate Paychex for year-end payroll reporting, begin by logging into your Paychex account. Navigate to the dashboard, where you will find the Payroll tab. Click on the Payroll tab to access additional options. Select the year-end reporting option from the drop-down menu. Review any notifications or alerts regarding year-end procedures. Next, locate the Activate Year-End Reports button and click on it. Follow the prompts to confirm your selection. You may need to provide additional information about your company's payroll details. Ensure that all employee and payroll information is accurate and up to date. After verifying the information, select the option to proceed. Paychex will begin the activation process for year-end payroll reporting. This process may take a few moments to complete. Once activated, you will receive a confirmation message on your screen. If necessary, download any required forms or documents for your records. Make sure to check the reporting deadlines for your specific region. After activation, navigate to the Reports section to access any generated reports. Review each report to ensure accuracy and completeness. If you encounter any issues, consult the Help Center or contact Paychex support. Once everything is confirmed, you are ready to proceed with your year-end payroll reporting. Stay organized and track all communications related to your payroll processes. This will help ensure a smooth reporting experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.